Today I'm going to teach you how to filter WooCommerce products by categories. This is incredibly useful for organizing your online store and helping customers quickly find exactly what they're looking for by sorting products into specific categories. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you several options. From the expanded menu, click on Add Plugins. This section is where you'll find all the tools and extensions that can enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. Now you're on the Plugins page where you'll see all available plugins that you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Product Filter from the search results. Look specifically for Product Filter for WooCommerce by WBW. Once you've found it, click on More Details to see a comprehensive overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions to ensure it meets your needs. When you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while, so be patient as WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a button that says Activate. Click on it to enable the plugin on your site. After activating the plugin, your page will refresh automatically. You'll notice that WBW Product Filter has now been added to your left navigation menu. This is your new control center for filtering products. To start filtering by categories, click on WBW Product Filter from your left navigation menu. This will open up the plugin's main interface where you can configure your filters. Next, click on Add New Filter. You'll be presented with a list of header options. Look through this list carefully until you find product categories. Click on the checkbox next to it to select this filter type, then click on Create. This action sets up the category filtering system for your store. Once the product categories filter has been created and added, look at the right side of your screen. You'll see a preview section that shows you how the filter will appear to your customers. To test it out, select the category you wish to filter by using the radio buttons provided, then click on Filter. This will demonstrate how products will be sorted when customers use this feature on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully set up category filtering for your WooCommerce products, making it much easier for customers to navigate your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.